I hope y'all got your bail money. Oh, man. YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Dev from Boston Boost Co. We are here for the first official video on my channel, and we're in the best car we could possibly pick. Today we're in the G82 M4, of course, my baby, the Newski, the Booski. We're getting it going. So tonight we're going to a photo shoot, I guess. My car's a model, what can I say? And we're with our boy. I'm gonna link his IG down below, and I'm also gonna link our photographer. Our photographer takes the best photos ever. This is my first time doing rollers on the G82 competition. I cannot wait. Let's get right into it. Roads here in Boston are terrible. Makes me so scared of lowering my car. We are gonna modify the hell out of this thing. The city is as beautiful as ever tonight. It is sunset time on a Friday night. We got the cops behind us. I didn't do anything, so if they're pulling me over, it is straight capping me. In Boston, they just pull up on you out of nowhere, follow you, see what's going on. I'm a law-abiding citizen, so I got nothing to worry about.
Stop the cap.
Thank God they're not for us. This is exactly what I'm talking about. We made it to the first spot, just waiting for our homie to pull up. I do have to clean my wheels because they are hella dirty. As you know, M cars suck with the brake pads. I do have to switch it out. I know you can get the brake pads that are less squeaky, less dirty. I did clean this wheel when I washed the car earlier, but just from driving to Boston, dirty, crazy. This is the worst part. And we're gonna get these wheels all cleaned up, shine up the tires, make it look presentable, you know? It's a model tonight. Isaiah, guys, he's the one that I have linked in the description. He takes the craziest photos. Let me show you a little bit about what his setup is and what he's got going.
Shooting with the Sony A7 with a variable ND filter, the CPL. You can get some crazy pics.
He's got the real stuff. I'm just on a phone. Look at the dedication. Knee down, like that's crazy. He's gonna go. Whew.
Shit's coming, dude. Shit's coming.
What do you mean by that?
We're gonna try to pull up to this spot that looks sick, but there's a cop blocking the entrance. So I don't know how this is gonna go. Isaiah's walking over there right now. I don't know if he's asking for permission or what he's doing, but we're just gonna pull up. Telling me to go down the one way. The cops just drove by. Yo, be quick, be quick. What is he talking about? No. This is a beautiful spot. You got all the lighting. I like this little thing going on right there. That's pretty dope. But here's what we were talking about. Not only are the cops driving by, I don't think we're supposed to be here. And I'm gonna try to zoom in. The cop is posted right there. So we're hoping that we don't get kicked out. Patrolling. So excited to see what these videos come out like. Another one. All right, guys, off to the second spot. Boy's already in the car. Let's get it cracking here. sure to turn my lights back on. There we go. So we're following Isaiah right now, going to the second spot. It is a little bit of like a parking garage type deal. I'm not sure exactly. I've never been here. He knows the deal, so we're following him. Ooh, he's lowered, so I don't know how he made it over that. Ooh, that shit was lethal. So Isaiah's getting pulled over right now. He had no lights on. I knew it.
Yeah, turn your lights on. Your lights. He wasn't running his lights.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Oh, man.
Oh man. Yeah, because you guys are just patrolling like the campus area only.
Yeah, and slightly outside. Like if state go, like if we'll go to backup state, Boston.
Yeah.
That's it.
Cool. Yeah. I hope y'all got your bail money. Oh man. He's good though. He's good. We're out and back in the car and we're gonna follow him. I think he just got a warning. I don't know, but we'll find out. Shout out to the whatever you call them, campus police for being chill. So we're back on the road heading to the second spot. We shut this little radar detector up and let's hope we don't get in any trouble. It's pretty crazy that after all this talk of police and whatever, that he gonna get pulled over for no lights. I thankfully remembered to turn my DRLs back to regular headlights. I don't think he was taking any pictures of his car, so I don't know why he had his headlights off, but we'll have to catch up with him at the next spot.
Another one.
Second spot here, pretty dope. Sounds like there's some sports game going on over there, so let's go check that out while our boy does his thing. He's actually hitting right over here. So what was the cop saying? What happened? Was it the no lights?
It was the no lights and the tints.
The tints?
Yeah, she's like, what percent you got? I'm like, I don't know.
Well, thankfully I had my windows rolled down. Ball game going on over there. Looks like it's getting rowdy. And then they do have the lacrosse practice happening right here on the baseball field. Pretty cool. Nice little view. Of course, Mr. Make It Happen going crazy over there. Can't wait to see how these photos come out. I know I keep saying that, but I'm so excited. Low gas, right? I know. I need to hit a gas station. Some interior shots right now. Just wiped it down. These are actually pretty good microfiber towel cloth. I just got them at Walmart. Comment below what you guys think is the best microfiber. I'll try it out. Spot 2 was a success. We're moving on to spot 3, which is some rollers through the tunnel. And then we're gonna be popping out at a gas station with a Mustang.
Rear K-band.
We got the rollers going. Hell yeah.
Sweet one.
Yo, you want a roller, bro? We'll get you a roller.
This sweet roller. Look at this.
22-inch whims.
Look at those fucking rims, buddy.
Hell yeah.
That's what
Let me
we
get in
want.
front of you though. I'm following him. Is that cool? Appreciate you, bro. 22-inch whims. Oh shit, the cops are
It's getting active, man. We out though.
in the tunnel now. We're trying to get some rollers here, but the traffic is crazy. Getting some gas right now. In between shots, filling her up. Ran it down to 6 miles left. She's looking beauty, man. She's looking good. All shined up.
Boston Boost Code right here, man.
Tell them.
Boston Boost Code. Like and subscribe.
You already know. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. More content coming soon, of course. Man, this thing is beautiful. What do you guys think? IRL exhaust or Valvetronics exhaust? Those are the two that I'm in between. I think we're gonna do the IRL catted 400 cell downpipe. All right, we at spot number, I don't even know now, but Isaiah's got the tripod out doing his thing. Of course, we got the beam ski over there. And you got the color in the background right there, red car wash. Got the Infinity over here parked up, all slammed. Yo, it's getting cold out. Woo, fall is in the air. And it feels good. I don't know if you guys like going to the fair, but I went to the Topsville Fair the other day. And it was a lot of fun.
We do not
A lot
care.
of food, a lot of action. Saw a bunch of people that I know just kicking it. So if you're from the North Shore area, I'm sure you go to these two fairs, either the Topsville Fair or the Big E. Never been to the Big E, so maybe coming soon. So we made it through all the traffic earlier, and we weren't able to get very many quality rollers in the tunnel, which is what we were looking to do. But we got a couple, so we'll see how it looks. Isaiah works his magic with the editing, so I'm sure it'll look great. The only thing is, I don't think we were going quite fast enough. Normally you have to go pretty fast to get the rollers, so you get that blurred look in the back, which is what makes the roller stand out, where the car is nice and crisp, background's all blurred. But we'll see. We don't know what the final product looks like. Turning the V around. I love this. I love being in the city, in the M4, getting some sick shots, hanging out with the boys, having a grand old time. The Mustang just pulled up. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna move this thing out of the way. I did not even know that they made a 650 Mustang. This thing is sick. Wow. Vapor blue.
We out here, Boston. I don't know what part of Boston.
Right by the Superior Nut Company. Train going by. It's tough. Got everybody taking pictures here. I do like the color on this. That's a dark gray. It reminds me of my convertible E350. Fourth spot had to be my favorite. That car wash scene was sick with the LEDs in the back. I just can't, yo. He knew a crazy spot. Shout out to him. Again, follow his IG in the description. Yeah, we just got flagged down. See what this is all about. Word.
I don't know, bro. I usually, do you know Woo Meets?
Woo Meets? Nah, what up, Dev?
Oh, shit. So it's the, you know the Puntos?
Nah.
Nothing?
Word, we just got flagged down on the side of the street. You'll pull off. You don't gotta tell me twice. Yo, shout out to bro for stopping me on the street. Recognize the V. Want to say what's up. Appreciate it, man. Gets a lot of attention. It's a great car.
Chrome hearts on the chain, Ferragamos on my feet, Dolce Gabbanas on my brain. Shirt by Armani, cufflinks are insane. Sierra, Leon diamonds in a pocket full of pain. My pants, Brooks Brothers, clearly not on a budget. Many stunting on you suckers like basketball at the Ruckers. The heat, not talking the police. It's my gun, that's nickname.